Here. Ala, patay. Ito na lagi itong sinabi ko lagi na puputol. Na wala na tayong panghibugkot sa buhok.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Ngayon is Tuesday and time check. It is 9, ang laki ng braso, 9:52 na ng umaga. I'm going to the other house. Diba nakita nyo previous vlog na dinala namin si Bianan sa hospital kasi masakit. Meron siyang naramdamang sakit. She's not in pain right now but there's something going on. Pero guys, thank you so much for sending your prayers and yes, sending me messages and yes, so yan. Thank you sa inyo. And so ngayon, nandun siya sa ICU. So si Tami walang tulog and hindi ko nga siya nasamahan kahapon kasi pumunta ako dito, 'di ba? Para sa mga aso. So ngayon, dalhin ko yung gamit ni Bianan and ilagay ko lang yung gamit ni Bianan sa car. Dalhin kong aso, guys, kasi andun ako magbantay kasi trabaho sila at lahat. Trabaho sila bukas and then walang magbabantay sa hospital. So punta tayo doon and then yeah, nalagay ko na yung mga gamit doon sa car. And isip ako kung anong dadalhin ko. Dala ko yung charger, dala ko yung laptop, lahat-lahat. Asan yung cellphone ko? Kumain ako ng cereal, guys, kasi walang rice. Hindi na rin ako nagluluto kasi wala naman ako dito sa for few days. Pero babalik ako dito, guys, babalik ako dito very early sa Thursday. Do you wanna go out first? 58 degrees sa labas. So, yun. Oh, you go, Pipi. Let's go. Oh, hindi nila alam na punta sila sa isang bahay. Batong lagi dito. Oda, batong. Pailalo mo. Batong dahil dito, guys. String beans. Nilagay ko dito lahat, guys. Antong dito sa kung anong ilagay. Sa mga lagay. Ug mga lugoy. Tami ba nag-text happy anniversary daw. Hindi naman namin anniversary. I said not today. akala ni Tami 10 today. 10 daw, 10. Hindi ngayon 10. Anyway guys, i-mount ko lang kayo ha. That's my good girl. Yes. Yeah, yung I need gas. We need to stop gassy, baby. It's already half tank. So gas it is. Hanap din ako ng magandang sound kasi bati yung mga music Peter si Tira tayo, guys. Oh, you want window open? You want window open a little bit, right? Right. Mga baby, want window open a little bit. Okay. May garbage tayo doon. Hindi natin yan matatapon kasi wala tayo dito today. Okay, we're here. Where is it? We're here, guys. Where is it? I have to ponytail my hair. Ala, patay. Ito na lagi itong sinabi ko lagi na puputol. Na wala na tayong panghibugkot sa buhok. Naputol. Pagkabuhol din ako. Daan palagi ko nga maputol siya. Okay, Rox. Let's go. You gonna go first? Who's gonna go first? Who's going first? Huh? Hi guys. I am here. Tinawagan ako ni Tamimoy. Sabi pa na wag daw ako pumunta doon. Kasi pupunta siya dito. Ako is mag-edit. Edit tayo, guys. Edit time. Tam is here. Hi.
Oh, I don't.
Kissy. I love you. Come here, eat. I'm hungry. Ito, guys, niluto ko, guys. Lechon paksi. Oo, yun. Bukog siya, pero meron na yung mga konting laman para kay Tami. Andito din sa akin. Siya, guys, na konti na lang yung sobrang napagid. Yun, sarap niyan, guys. Lechon paksi. Before we go on, we have to let them out, you know. Sit down for a while over there.
I know you think I'm going for that.
She knows. I told her.
Eating food.
Punta lang kami, guys, sa Bianan. Roxy, eat your din. Sumakit yan ko guys. Kumain ako ng maraming pork paksiw. Tinapos namin ni Tami yun kasi maliit lang, puro lang buto, di ba? Tinapos namin. Nanonood din ka siya ng Judge Judy, and alis lang kami.
No, this is all solidified.
What do you mean?
It's solid.
Which one?
Both of them.
That's weird. Oh, I miss this car. Han, I miss this car. It's been a while. I don't know if I can drive this car. You think I can still drive this car?
I think you learned on this car.
Huh?
You learned on this car.
I know, this is the car that I drive for to get a license.
Walking around staring at the phone, you're like,
huh?
Walking to trees.
It's a kid, Han.
I know, but like kids.
What do you want? Yeah, I use this car to...
Mail's just coming down?
I get the mail. Namiss ko tong sasakyan. This is what I like about big cars, son. You're higher and you can see everything, right?
Get parking.
Why, you think it's hard?
You know where I parked earlier?
Where?
Parking lot.
Really?
Yeah.
There's a lot of space over there.
Maybe you're really not supposed to do that.
Huh?
You're really not supposed to. I didn't want to do it. I was going to park in the other in their lot.
But it's really close to the hospital.
The lot across the street?
Mm-hmm.
It's $18.
$18?
Yeah. And I go in there to park. And the girl's like, well, we're full. She goes, you can come in, but we're full. So I'm going to pay you $18 and not get a parking space? Yeah, I don't think that's stupid.
Money.
Yeah, I'm going to come in there and pay you for not having a space.
It's ridiculous.
There's something wrong with these fucking people.
Of course, they're getting the money, even though they put you somewhere in the side.
No, they wouldn't put you anywhere. You'd have to sit there and wait until somebody leaves.
Really?
And once you come in, you're in. Now you have to wait until somebody comes and leaves. Nobody comes for an hour, and then you're sitting there for an hour waiting. But in the meantime, you're still paying for that hour that you have to sit in the car. This girl got lucky. She got a space right in the front lot. I got that it's put in your mouth because they won't let you have anything to drink, so this way your mouth gets so dry.
Yeah, and it helps.
Yeah. So that's why I got it. I put it right over in that pharmacy by down at 110.
Yeah.
You know that little pharmacy and the building after the laser. I went in there and bought it. Yeah. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I asked the girl, "You guys carry this?" Sorry.
Okay guys, we're out in the hospital. You can see my pups and see Starbucks coffee, which is not really good.
Because I parked right in the front where I was parked to go to.
You park in the back.
You park in the back near the booth, and then you can just walk right out here and you're closer.
Yeah.
And you know, you just.
When you get out here, you put the coins, right?
You put a token, one
Tokens.
token. Just make sure you buy a token when you park.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, when you come out, maybe they're closed, and then how are you gonna buy a token?
Yeah. Anyway, guys, so this Starbucks, what is this, hon?
Starbucks.
Hot choco.
Yeah, but it's not really Starbucks made it with Swiss Miss, and I'm not sure if that's removed from Starbucks.
Oh my God, they're not good, guys.
I don't generally buy Starbucks because I don't really like their regular coffee.
My mother-in-law.
They were the only thing open, so
I feel bad with my mother-in-law, guys, because she doesn't have any food since yesterday morning, and she missed her.
No water, no nothing. No.
Yeah, what is that over there? Hello. She missed her coffee. She loves coffee. Didn't let her anything. Once she saw us having this, she said, I miss my coffee.
I know, that was really bad.
She remembered her coffee. So tomorrow, I'll be there tomorrow. So how do I know if they decide to surgery or not? Because I know for sure you said they're not gonna have it.
We don't know for that they're not having it. So right now, it doesn't look like they're gonna have it.
When Sammy told her that I will be there tomorrow, she thought that she's gonna go upstate.
Hopefully you're smart enough to say, hey, I need the hospital, I need to go. I won't go, and let's see if I can drop that here.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Just you on.
I don't like Mama's gonna die. Mama's going to die. I'm just gonna leave myself over here. Die. Hi guys, I'm cooking some lamb. So lamb yung nilolorto ko.
Big girl. Come on, big girl. No, she wants to go to the door. She
No, Roxy, I just let you out. They pee, they do their business, that's it. Time check guys, it's like 7:23 ng gabi, pero hindi pa gumabi. It's not really dark yet. Almost there.
That's gross,
Yeah.
but it happens.
Where's the ducky duck? Where is it? A baby ducky.
Neither one grab it.
A baby ducky.
Hi guys.
What are you making?
Mashed potato.
Why you're making that?
Part of dinner.
Part of dinner. I told you we're just gonna have vegetables and lammy.
Mashed potato is a vegetable.
No, I'm talking about other vegetables. That's not vegetables, that's starch.
Potato is a vegetable.
I'm sleepy. Tutugon ko eh. This dinner is late.
Quiet, Max. This isn't about you.
No, let them speak.
Sa akin guys, isang lamb guys, kasi hindi ako kakain ng marami. Ito yung ulam ko, same thing with Tommy. And right here, vegetables, right big boy?
Yeah.
And mashed potato that he made. Ay, wala na akong time mag-edit. Bahala na sa Batman. End ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching for today's video. Hindi, wala masyadong ganap guys ha, kasi andun na kami sa, wala masyadong nagaganap sa amin ni Tommy kasi hospital kami. Tingnan nyo si Roxy. Wag man ako na, Rox ba? Wag anuhin. I will see you guys tomorrow. 9 o'clock ako. Punta ako sa biyanan ko. Ako lang doon mag-isa para may kasama naman, di ba? Para hindi siya ba kasi matatakutin yung mag-isa. So, samahan natin. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys.